to be All-Ireland champions yet again.
Yeah, this is a special one. We fairly much feel we started at the Ashes back in October, November time. So for them to turn this around and to be here on the biggest of days and to control the game for most of it, that's as sweet as it gets.
And what a performance on the biggest of days to come out and have mastery of the game from the start.
They were excellent, yeah. We'd seen a lot of growth in the last 7 or 8 weeks, but we didn't know because ultimately we'd so many players playing on this day that hadn't experienced it, and you don't know what the cauldron is going to do. But there was some of the elder lemons who've been here before really helped to impart their knowledge over the times they played here, which I think just got them through the day.
And how have you done it, Mick, to bring together another group of players, young players blended together with older players who were still there? A massive challenge for you personally to have done that and to have achieved that.
I have to say, my coaching staff, I'm just been incredibly blessed that people have been so selfless, because when we got together last October, November time, there was certainly no prize on offer in our eyes. It was about steadying the ship and seeing if we could make a group competitive and maybe a year or two down the road and someone else take it on. So to do this all in that short period of time has possibly been the greatest achievement of our coaching lives.
And what does it mean now for Dublin? 2 titles, the 2 senior titles stay in the capital.
It's incredible. Obviously we're very proud of our men, and the last couple of weeks the city has been so vibrant as a result of that fantastic All-Ireland final. So for our women to back it up, that's very pleasing.
And a quiet one tonight then, Mick?
I say again?
A quiet one tonight, feet up at home?
I'd say tonight will be good, and tomorrow probably even better. I look forward to a couple of traditional sessions in some of the hostilleries around town. I'd say Hugh Horan and Carl Jackson will be seeing a bit of us.
And a few people will join you, I would say.
For sure.
Just my who, Shivsha, Arisha, Corina, Heron, Cohart,
For the Mila Mulligan, Slán.